But we offer a number of things. If you want to visit the website, you can just book a free discovery call if you just want to find out a bit more about the different services. But we also offer a 3-day culture transformation. So imagine in 3 days, you can have, at the end of 3 days, you have a concrete plan on and the actions, all the to-do lists to transform your culture immediately. So we bring all the leaders together, the HR team, whoever they feel needs to be a part of that conversation. And we spend the first day educating and really talking about what are the needs and what kind of elements need to be provided in the workplace in order for someone to feel fulfilled, excited, engaged. So we talk about that on day one. On day two, we talk about their current state. We map out their current employee journey from the moment they're pitching themselves through to the moment an employee is exiting and everything in between. We literally map out. And then we talk about all the different processes and procedures that are currently associated to each of those kind of key touch points where employees are more likely to fall off and check out, right? So we talk about all that, and then we've got this beautiful map of your current state. Guess what? A lot of organizations are already doing a lot of good stuff. So that stuff we keep. Then half of like day 2 into day 3 is action planning. We take those 10 needs, we revisit that map, and we talk about how we're providing for those needs at every step of the journey. And then we talk about what they can be doing differently. So it's such a beautiful transformation because it gets all these leaders aligned. It has them talking and innovating and troubleshooting and really brainstorming ideas to improve that would operationally make sense.